Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Do a video walkthrough on the Sea Ray 280 SLX, year model 2017. This boat is equipped with the big block 8.2 liter V8 Bravo 3 stern drive motor. She has roughly 140 hours of use on it. It's got sea deck on the platform, this huge aft facing sun pad on the back, has flip up backrest, and then this large backrest here. This whole hatch is electrically articulated to access your engine. Take a look at the photos there. Got a couple compartments stepping on board that the owner uses for cooler boxes with drinks. Got a boarding ladder if you're getting on and off without a floating dock. Got stereo control, cockpit shower, and then the transom of the boat actually has a couple speakers on the back there, rod holder, or excuse me, drink holders. He's got the cockpit table set up, small isotherm chill box, nice tower, canvas protection, flip up bolsters, again, more stereo controls. You got the dynamic Sea Ray display here, as well as a Raymarine chart plotter multifunction display there, Raymarine VHF radio, got hatch up and down, digital throttle and shift, Bennett trim tabs, horn, all located there. Nice double companion helm seat with bolsters, ton of cockpit, or excuse me, in-deck storage underneath the seats here. Spinning around, open up this head compartment. It's a vacuum flush head. It's going to give you a separate holding tank, low maintenance, get fuel, pump your holding tank, and you don't have to worry about any kind of head odors from the traditional porta potties. Nice stainless windshield top, great looks, but also functions well. And then moving forward towards the bow, cushions are in pretty good shape here. Got a couple stains there that are bleeding through, but otherwise good shape here. Open this up, you have an anchor windlass and the stainless anchor option. Stainless anchor, stainless windshield, vinyl carpeting throughout. Love the two-tone. This is a great entertaining boat. I mean, you can get all the family and friends on here. Get in-deck storage up there as well. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Give us a call at 910-264-4818. Get 910-264-4818. Thanks for taking the time to look at this 280 SLX.